Family and friends have asked us about our recipe for making pandesal or Filipino sweet buns. Our recipe has been tweaked many times until we found the perfect one that we prefer, something not crumbly nor dense or too heavy. To make it easy to follow, we are providing a step-by-step process for you. Our video features 3 batches but will also give the measurements for 1 batch. Note that your available ingredients and their quality can affect the result of your bread. Therefore, feel free to tweak this recipe to meet your taste preference until you get your own perfect pandesal. Let's start! Mix butter first with milk. We use lactose-free milk. Microwave till warm to touch. Depends on your microwave on how long. We heat up ours for a minute and 50 seconds. Prepare the yeast. Once warmed, add a dry active yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar regardless of yeast amount. Leave alone in room temperature for 10 minutes to activate. Depends on your mixer, you may 1. Mix all dry ingredients first, slowly pouring into the bowl. Next, add the eggs. Then mix in the bloom yeast bit by bit. Or 2, you can mix the yeast preparation first into the bowl. Once bloomed, add the dry ingredients slowly with the eggs last. We use a Bosch Universal Plus mixer so we can mix all dry or wet ingredients from the get-go. Once the dough is formed, continue to knead at speed 2 or medium. Depends on your mixer, this may take 6 to 10 minutes. When your dough has become elastic and see-through, you can prepare it for proofing. Place in oven. Let stay for an hour or until double in size. Once doubled, release the air. Cut and roll dough in smaller uniform sizes. We use 50 grams. Roll each piece in breadcrumbs. Make sure you place them in equal distance to let the portions rise evenly. Let the dough stay in the oven for an hour until double the size. No cover or oven heating needed. Use a water bath placed in the bottom of the oven. When double the size, remove the baking pans. Enjoy the freshly baked yumminess, both in taste that satisfies and aroma that fills your home. If you like this kind of sharing, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of our next videos. Any questions, requests, or suggestions, please comment below. Kindly share and follow. Thank you for watching!